pandemic. Breaking connections to the world. Empowering language on humanity. Let's bring the world of learning in one channel. Welcome to Business Combinations English TV.
Hello everyone, I am Ma'am Marisol D. Quintos, your English teacher for today. We are in our quarter 3, week 1. So our topic for today is about composing an argumentative essay. And you are expected that at the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to 1. Raise questions to clarify issues covered in the material viewed. 2. Share viewpoints based on the ideas presented in the materials viewed. 3. Evaluate the information contained in the material viewed in terms of accuracy and effectiveness. And the last one is to compose an argumentative essay. On many occasions, you may have to take a stand on an issue of a consequence. You cannot stay neutral, especially when the stakes are considerable. It is therefore important that you learn to argue well, whether in speaking or writing. Argument is almost linked with persuasion. Let us now discuss the difference between argumentative and persuasive writing. Let us start with the starting point. In argumentative writing, you have to identify your topic, research your topic, and decide which side to support. While in persuasive writing, you have to identify your topic and choose your side. Next, for the purpose, in argumentative writing, you have to get the reader to recognize that your side of the argument is valid. While in persuasive writing, the purpose is just to get the reader to agree with your opinion. For the technique, argumentative writing offers facts, reasons, and evidence to show the author has valid points. Argumentative writing is always logic-based. It acknowledges the opposing claims. It may compare ideas to establish a position. Argumentative writing presents multiple sides, but it is clear which is the author's side, and it always provides evidence with claims. While in persuasive writing, techniques combines facts with emotions to convince the readers that the author is right. It is always emotion-based. Persuasive writing ignores counterclaims. It presents only ideas that help establish a position. In persuasive writing, only presents only one side. It is the author's side, and it makes claims without evidence. For the tone, argumentative writing is calmer tone, or just trying to get the reader to acknowledge the author's side is worthy of consideration. While in persuasive writing, the tone is emotionally charged and more aggressive. Now that we have learned the difference between argumentative and persuasive writing, for your task 1, you're going to examine the images on the next page, then raise questions about each of them to clarify issues. You can see text along with each picture or image is a simple question. You're going to write your answer on your paper. For picture number 1, we can see that the question is about performing experiments on an animal. So you're going to clarify your issues by asking your questions. For picture number 2, it asks if a child should have his or her own cell phone. And for the last picture, should a teacher be a friend with his or her students? You can raise your questions to clarify your issues about the following or the given pictures. And now for your assessment, we're going to read the following paragraph and answer the questions that follow. For letter A, aggressive driving should be avoided because it causes crashes, injuries, and fatalities. The first reason why aggressive driving should be avoided is that it causes crashes. According to NHTSC, between 78% and 100% of the cases of aggressive driving resulted in traffic crashes, and 96% of the drivers cited for following too closely or tailgating causes crashes as the result of their aggressive driving. Moreover, running red light, improper passing, and overtaking on the left top other categories of aggressive driving in contributing to traffic crashes. Another reason why aggressive driving should be avoided is it causes injuries. NHTSC states that the percentages of the injuries caused by aggressive driving are, in almost all categories of aggressive driving, above 100%. Aggressive driving also causes fatalities. Overtaking on the left appears to be the most important contributing factor in traffic fatalities as it relates to aggressive driving. Improper lane change, running stop sign, and running red light rank second through 4 in terms of their contribution to traffic fatalities. The above evidence shows that aggressive driving causes crash, injuries, and fatalities. After we have read the paragraph, we're going now to identify what is the topic sentence. When we say topic sentence, it is the all about of the paragraph that you read. Next, how does the author prove that there is an issue? And the last one, how does the author conclude his paragraphs? Now for letter B, will mankind survive or not? This question does not take no for an answer. The progress of society, the life of civilization must and will continue. These words are found in a report of the 27th Congress. What, then, is one to think about the massive pile-up of nuclear weapons on our planet? For each child in the world, Filipino, Chinese, Russian, Arab, American, French, and African, there are 3 tons of explosives. Every day, $2 billion are spent on the armaments, and 20 hydrogen bombs are manufactured, while millions of children all over the world die of hunger and disease. When the atomic bomb was dropped in Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, the entire city was destroyed. About 60,000 people were killed and approximately 100,000 were wounded. For the sake of saving our planet and the future of your children, people all over the world should intensify the struggle to stop the arms buildup and to prevent nuclear war. In his talk to the people of the United States on December 8, USSR President Mikhail Gorbachev said, "We see the task in building a nuclear-free world. Today, we started a big undertaking, making a first step to eliminating nuclear weapons. Humanity has come to realize that it has fought enough wars, that war should be punished. Everybody wants peace. Nobody wants war." For the second paragraph again, we're going to identify what is the topic sentence. 2. How does the author prove that there is an issue? And 3. How does the author conclude his paragraphs? You're going to write your answer on your answer sheet and have it prepared on your portfolio. Good day, kids! Enjoy learning and thank you!